Hi guys, today in this video we are going to see what is DC load line and what is AC load line and different circuits of AC and DC load line along with biasing and operating point. So first we are going to see what is DC load line. So a DC load line can be defined as a load line of a DC equivalent circuit. So first of all we want to know what is a load line. So a load line can be defined as any circuit. For any circuit, it is a line which tells the ratio of voltage and current, that is equivalent voltage and equivalent current. So when I tell as DC load line, I can tell it is a load line of a DC equivalent circuit. That is, a circuit mainly works on DC. And what is an important property of a DC load line is all the components, that is mainly a reactive component, are reduced to zero. So in which reactive components are reduced to zero. Okay, I now told the definition. It is a DC equivalent circuit of a load line and the reactive components are reduced to zero. So how the reactive components are reduced? So in a reactive component are mainly consist of here capacitors and inductors. I am considering capacitors and inductors, where I am going to convert the capacitors, converting capacitors as open circuit and converting inductors to be short circuit if present. There may be possibilities that there may not be inductors if present. Yeah, what is the main purpose of a DC load line is to find a Q point. So it is mainly used to find Q point, that is operating point of an amplifier. Operating point. Now next we are going to see about what is an AC load line. So before moving into the graph, I am going to tell you what is AC load line. So AC load line is always defined by DC load line and both are interrelated. Why I am telling is, once an AC load line is defined, so a DC load line is defined. When I define a DC load line for a circuit, an AC load line is simultaneously defined. How? Because there is a major point, that Q point play a major role. Where, just look at the graph first. The blue pen line that I have drawn is the load line of DC equivalent circuit, that is DC load line, and AC load line I have drawn a line using pencil. See the diagram, they both doesn't merge each other, but they intersect at the Q point. So now we can come into a conclusion and write a definition that I can tell you AC load line is a straight line, obviously, with slope equivalent to AC impedance. For DC equivalent circuit, you can tell it is product of, it is a ratio between voltage and current, that is resistance, but in terms of AC we can tell it as impedance. So the slope is equal to AC impedance facing non-linear devices mostly. Which is generally different from a DC load line. Yeah, we can see in this diagram for AC load line a specific diagram line is drawn, and for DC load line a different line is drawn. Why? Because AC load line and DC load line can intersect at the Q point, but they do not have same load. Note this point, they both have different loads. Yes. And what an AC load line can tell? This is a big question. Big question means it is not an 8 mark or something. It's like a big question in the sense this question arises for everybody. AC load line tell. So what does it tell? I can tell you in points. It is a chain process where one point is related over another. So AC load line tells maximum possible output voltage. Output voltage. Yeah, in a line of VBE in a graph of VBE and IB, I can tell a maximum possible output voltage for mainly CE amplifier. It is an advantage. And when I am coming to the second point, so when maximum possible output voltage is obtained, I can get maximum peak to peak voltage, that is VPP. So this VPP is called compliance of an amplifier. Okay, or I can tell you compliance of an amplifier.